Yo, we back with another video. Yo, man, y'all see by the thumbnail, we finna go get the car washed, you know. Yeah, I told y'all bring, hold on, shit, that's right. Anyway, it don't matter. Told y'all I'm gonna bring y'all some more car vlogs or whatever, but you know, we gotta start small, man, because you know what I'm saying, the little modifications to the car is not easy. So we're gonna start. Actually, I'm gonna take y'all with me because we gotta go get we gotta go get some a microfiber towel so I can dry off, you know, my car or whatever, because I got a hand wash. I can't take it through the wash no more ever since I got the tire littering. If y'all ain't see that video, make sure y'all go watch that video right now. And then after we go there, I'm gonna take y'all to Best Buy too, because you know what I'm saying, we gotta get some movies or whatever. It's been a long time since we got some movies, but you know, babe just got Aladdin last night. We didn't watch it yet, but we gonna go get Godzilla because it's on sale at Best Buy. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, after that, we're gonna go get the car wash. What are you doing? Anyway, y'all know what time it is. It's time for that cold side stuff. Y'all, we here at Best Buy. Finna get the Young movie or whatever. Yep, Best Buy is the best place in the world. What's going on? Here we go. Over to Best Buy now. There we go. Now we can focus up. We should just get the cartoon Aladdin.
You know? That's what I almost got.
They should have did like a double feature. Like get the cartoon one and then get the newer one. Man, I think we haven't been here in a while. They changed stuff around.
Yeah.
And we're done at Best Buy, guys. So check out finna get these right here. Get the Godzilla going on. What's going on, man?
Good today.
Alright. Chilling. Another day. We are walking out of here. I wish Walmart was like that. Anyway, we out here, y'all. So we finally leaving. It was like 5 minutes, got the moves, and we out. Now it's time to go to place number 2. Let's go, baby. Woo. Get in the bag, y'all. Get in the bag. Get in the bag. Well, I was going to AutoZone, but I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was AutoZone, but it's O'Reilly's. You know, same thing. But, what's going on? How you doing? Anyway. microfiber towel or whatever, so we can just clean it off. Let it go right there. Y'all let me know which one's the best one. I mean, I know it's too late, but next time I might get another one and then I can get a, pretty good one. But right now, just need to get something. It's not gonna scratch my lip like a regular dish towel. For the 16, that boy hidden, Got the wash mitt. These little microfiber towels be hidden. Oh. You gotta get a blue one. You gotta get a blue one. You know what I'm saying? Sub-Zero gang. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get a blue one. So only get the new car smell or the black ice. But we're gonna go with the new car smell. One, because it's blue. You know. We are here at the motherfucking car wash. Trying to get this vlog footage. I'm finna go ahead and sit up here and hand wash this mug. You know what I'm saying? Got to get it right. Got to get Subby right. Looking like mighty ferocious right now. Woo! Looking cold, boy. Look clean. But well, you know what I'm saying? Y'all finna come with me on the process of washing the whip or whatever. And let's go, baby. Let's get it started. I'm trying to see what I want. I'm definitely gonna do this one.
Which one?
Do that one. The polish.
Go.
I'm gonna do this one. Tricolor. But we definitely need that polish. For the vehicle, we're gonna do the pre-soak, but I don't know which one to do first. It's my first time actually really washing my car. So I think I'm gonna do the pre-soak, then this. And then I don't know if I should do a foam brush if I'm doing the polish.
Well, that one's for debris.
Yeah, I know. But I'm just saying, I don't know which order to go in. And I'm pretty sure this isn't in order because this is just like the options you choose from.
I think it is.
No, I don't think so because you don't go this and then because you're not gonna pre-soak. I mean that makes sense, but then you're not gonna pre-soak with soap and then the foam brush already has soap in it. Then you're gonna rinse.
Yeah.
And then tricolor, seal wax, oh maybe it is in order.
It is because it says salt.
Maybe it is in order. Okay, well, it's in order, so.
It is I, Kid Hazy, baby. Yeah, they.
Medical, smoking, backwood, rolling, mix it up, potion, rock the boat, ocean, karate chop, Jackie Chan, kid flow, Peter Pan, damn, kiss, Roman, poster, kickstand, super, heavy, vroom, Chevy, she calling me, daddy, Bernie Mac, Peppy,
Yeah.
Bernie Mac, Peppy,
Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac, Peppy,
Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac,
Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac,
Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac,
Bernie Mac.
Bernie Mac, Hercules,
Cletus.
3 stripes, Adidas.
Yeah.
She got smart brain, genius. Kid shit, fetus.
Yeah.
Dinner, wearing. Bad bitch, staring.
I see you.
I think her name, Karen.
Huh.
Her friend wants son, she saying I ain't sharing.
Damn.
Ma, Stacy, while I'm smoking Betty. Casey.
Anyway, I should have did it before and after, but this is the ending product of Sub-Zero. Now it's clean. You feel me? You know, give me a like, drop a like on the video, and tell me how good of a job I did. Just let me know. Hold on, let it focus. Let me know if I did a good job or not on my car. First time washing my car. Those are looking much more better. You know, I still gotta do some stuff to them, but tell me how I did in the comment section. Tell me how I did, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But let me know how I did, y'all. I should have did it before and after, but it's all good. Let me know if that looked good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all give me a like, subscribe, and comment. If y'all ever see me in Arizona, holla at your boy. But anyway, we out here. That's the end of the video. More videos coming soon. Giveaway video coming soon. Shh. Make sure y'all can see my face.